Hi, my name is Paul Chris Murray. I am CEO and co-founder of Imajinet Technologies. Imajinet was founded in 2020 by a group of 5 college students. Imajinet comes from the word imagine it. Our ultimate goal is to work towards providing sustainable energy to every home and business using innovation and imagination. One of the biggest challenges facing Malawi is the lack of electricity access, whereby above 80% of Malawians do not have access to electricity. Malawi has one of the lowest electrification rates in the world, which is currently 12%. And while these percentages may just seem like numbers, but it translates into over 15 million people. As you know, energy is perhaps one of the critical sectors of any country's development, because of course increased energy access would mean increased industrial activity, increased small business activity, which will translate into reduced poverty levels and sustainable livelihood, which is what any country desires. And of the 17 SDGs, SDG 7, which is about access to affordable and clean energy, is perhaps the most important because all the SDGs are directly or indirectly related to it. So, for example, when it comes to poverty and hunger reduction, that cannot happen if a country does not have a stable supply of energy, because then employment levels in the industrialization and small businesses suffer. So it is really a critical sector that needs to be looked at, and that's why we're here. Our solutions are twofold. First of all, we manufacture small wind turbines using local resources, and we also provide solar power designs and installations. These small wind turbines are manufactured from local resources like timber, scrap metals, PVC pipes, and whatever we can find. We do incorporate a smart monitoring system and artificial intelligence in our system in order to make them of higher quality and also to ensure safety. Our turbines are more than just an advantage on the local plant because of the local resources that we use, but the cost benefit analysis is also better because an imported equivalent would cost someone around $1,000, while our turbine costs $400. So we have an edge when it comes to cost. The $5,000 would help us in many ways, but most importantly, it would help us to buy the basic equipment that we need, like welding machines, drilling machines, which we can't outsource right now. So the price would still even go lower if we had this. We are in line with the national energy policy, the SDGs, and Africa Vision 2063, which above all we are about green energy. We are obsessed about green energy, and so we will be reducing poverty and also contribute to climate change mitigation. Imajinet is proud that we have tested our technology before and we have the experience and expertise to do this. So, for example, in 2020, Imajinet won a grant of $1,200 from Kobo Makers, whereby we powered a primary school in the northern part of Malawi of 120 students, and we are proud that that project was a success. Our revenue model can be divided into 3 sections. We do provide direct sales of our systems and wind turbines to someone who wants to buy, and we also provide services. We license Imajinet technologies to whoever wants to use it for their own ends. The market in Malawi is huge. Like I said, over 15 million people do not have access to electricity, but we have divided it into 3 sections. Our core business will be focused on semi-urban households because they have the money and means to pay. We also focus on rural households and farms. We focus on hospitals and schools. Our unfair advantage is that we use local available materials, and therefore our systems will be cheaper. We are into the business of sustainable energy. We have a huge network of NGOs and partners willing to partner with us. We have an experienced and competent team. We are providing affordable technology. We have unique designs and are pioneers of clean energy in Malawi. We have customizable designs depending on the customer needs, so from small scale to large scale, whichever the case may be. We can be helped in many ways. So, for example, we need business coaching because most of us are engineers and technically minded. We need willing volunteers. We, of course, need funding in order to go far. Our biggest reason for existence, our biggest why is to believe clean energy access is a basic human right, which can lead to poverty reduction and climate change mitigation. Our team is composed of 5 people. 4 of us are engineers, and our CFO is a major in microfinance. Potential partners would include Mzuzu University, Malawi University of Science and Technology, EMAHA, Global Makers, and other NGOs. Thank you.